next hearing. That's tomorrow 11 a.m. Tomorrow 11 a.m. we will be hearing the case is what the Magistrates Court suggests. In fact, here is Satish Manishinde also asking furthermore, why are we shying away from this case, from giving a bail? In fact, the Magistrates Court now is to hear this matter at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Aryan's bail hearing in the Sessions Court tomorrow at 11 a.m. This is the latest development coming in. No relief for Aryan. NCB, of course, has opposed Aryan Khan's bail plea, saying that there's a lot more to investigate into the matter. But nonetheless, they had asked for an extension of NCB custody, but here the court has now sent Aryan Khan and 7 others to judicial custody. And this means that they will be allowed to apply for bail. And we believe that Satish Manishinde has already said that he's going to be applying 2 bails, 1 interim among them. 2 bails will be furnished, in that 1 will be interim and 1 will be a full bail that they will be seeking. Tomorrow at 11 a.m. this will be heard in the Magistrates Court. Let me cut across to Mustafa on that. Mustafa, here the court will be hearing the matter at 11 a.m. Do take us through the details of this. What more do we know with regards to the bail application that's been filed by Satish Manishinde for Aryan Khan?
Well, Abila, it looks like the defense lawyers are still pressing for the bail application, though the magistrate has said that it will take place tomorrow at 11 a.m. But it looks like the court is still in session. Tarak Syed, who is the lawyer for Arbaz Merchant, has said that the entire unit of NCB, including zonal officer Samir Wankhede, is inside the court. Instructions can be taken and the reply could be filed today itself, with the ASG saying that the bail is not maintainable. He wants to go to the root cause of it, and hence he'll file a detailed reply tomorrow. And this is Manishinde, who the defense lawyer for Aryan Khan. He has made a statement saying that the ASG should stand up for the liberty of people. So it looks like the defense lawyers, after getting judicial custody, are clearly pushing for bail hearing to take place today itself. One of the arguments which was being made is that the bail was applied yesterday itself, so it was not that the NCB was not ready that the bail hearing will take place. The bail at that point of time was kept in abeyance because the accused was in NCB custody, but now as the accused have been sent to judicial custody, the bail hearing can very much take place.
Mustafa, I'd like to ask you exactly where is Aryan and the others going to be taken to from here? They're at the Killa court. Now that he's being sent to judicial custody, where is he going to be taken to? What next for him?
Well, now that the bail application hearing is going to take place tomorrow, there are 2 jails for the under trials in the Mumbai and adjoining areas. One is in Arthur Road and the other is in Taloja area of Navi Mumbai. Now, after being sent to judicial custody, the NCB will be checking with those authorities as to whether these accused can be sent there tonight itself, and the jail authorities will reply to them, checking with the space, because due to the COVID restrictions, the capacity of the jails have been reduced, and hence most of the jails were inmates and accused were being sent to Taloja, which is in Navi Mumbai, which is a slightly bigger jail, because Arthur Road jail being in Mumbai is also as old and a small jail. So we'll have to wait and see whether NCB gets a vacancy at the Arthur Road jail or at the Taloja jail. Accordingly, the accused will be transferred there. They'll have to spend at least tonight and tomorrow's day in the jail till the time their bail application is heard. If the bail application is rejected by the magistrate court, then it is likely that they'll have to spend more time in jail till the time the bail application is heard. Back to you.
Mustafa, I'd like to ask you here, what exactly will the NCB, will they be allowed to question Aryan Khan and the others while they're in judicial custody? What kind of role will the NCB play until he probably procures bail? Will they be able to question him?
Well, they will be able to question him, but not at the NCB office. They will have to go there at the jail and then question him. So it looks likely that they will ask for some time if the inquiry is needed, and they will accordingly go and question there. But yes, the defense lawyers will be satisfied today that there was a good argument made by the NCB for getting further custody, but magistrate court has given judicial custody, which gives them an opportunity to apply for bail, which they have, and there is a chance of they getting bail now either either tomorrow or whenever, whichever court fits it to be. But at the same time, it comes as a relief that now they are out of NCB custody. They can apply for bail. NCB fought hard to get further custody and investigate the entire conspiracy. So for now, the accused are being taken to NCB office, as what we are being told from inside the court by our colleague Vidya. As rightly said, that the accused cannot be taken to jail this late, says one of the lawyers. So the NCB now wants to take them to the NCB office because it's late in the night. The procedure of sending an inmate to jail cannot be done right away, and NCB is saying that they will take them to the NCB office, and then tomorrow the procedure of sending them to a jail for under trials will be taking place. I'm sure that the defense lawyers may oppose this, but that is what the NCB has said, that all the 8 accused will be taken to NCB office, because at this point of time these accused cannot be taken to any other jail, because there are procedures of doing an antigen COVID test before allowing an inmate inside the jail. Given the COVID norm, we'll have to wait and watch whether COVID tests were already done 48 hours ago for all these accused, so that they can be sent to judicial custody. But anyways, it looks like the procedure of sending a person to under trial jail cannot be done at this point of time, with the lawyers are also agreeing. So the zonal director Samir Wankhede requested the court to keep the custody of the accused with NCB, as the jail authority do not receive the accused in the absence of COVID report. So as I was just telling you, that there is a requirement of a COVID report to be done before the accused are sent to jail custody, and it looks like during the medical test the COVID test was not done, and hence the advocate have asked permission to be allowed to meet accused, especially family members. Magistrate has allowed that family members can meet the accused at the NCB office. So the advocates of the accused have agreed to this, that all the accused who have been sent to judicial custody, including Aryan Khan, from here now they will be going to NCB office tomorrow with a COVID report. The procedure of sending them to under trial jail will be conducted. Till then, the family of these accused can meet them. The permission has been granted. So anytime we'll see these accused coming out from the jail, the lawyers have agreed that these accused should be sent to NCB office for the night, till the time tomorrow the bail is heard, or tomorrow the preparation is done for them to go to under trial.
So basically you're saying that they will be sent back to the NCB office itself?
Really fast. Yes, that's the case, because at this point of time they cannot be sent to any jail, because with the COVID norms there is a requirement of COVID report, of COVID negative report, before the accused is taken inside the jail. So at this point of time, to do a COVID test and to do the arrangements for a person to enter the jail is not possible, and hence the lawyers have agreed that the accused will be taken to NCB office for the night. The family will be allowed to meet them.
Right. I'm going to cut across to Divyesh as well, joining us live. First of all, these are live visuals coming in from the Kela court, where Aryan Khan and the other accused are still present. They will be now taken out to the NCB office currently. As Mustafa says, they'll have to get a COVID test. Only then will they be able to say, the NCB can send them to a jail or a prison for under trials until they actually appear before court.